What up, YouTube? It's Rico8 back at you with another video. Today I got a banger for you. I'm so excited for this one. I'm going to be unboxing two more model trains. 1 second, this one's upside down. And as you can see, I bought two intermodal cars off of a train website. It's called, I think, Train Life. They're two Walters TTX intermodal cars. Now the thing is, they didn't come with shipping containers. So I might get some shipping containers that from another place. But before we get started, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome content like this. Share the video; that'll be a big help. My birthday's coming up, and this birthday present would be. I originally said 100. I'm at 45 right now. Let's see if we can let's get 5 more. See if I can get to 50. That would be awesome. That would be a great birthday present. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. I can't do that. Okay, so just open this one on the front. See, I don't remember the last time I bought a train new. Most of my trains are secondhand. I think all of them are secondhand. No, only two of my locomotives aren't secondhand. Let's see, warranty information. Not that, but look at this. Okay, let me take this off. Holy crap, that's nice. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh yeah, okay. Look at this. It's a Walters TTX intermodal car. So I don't have any track. I'm gonna put this on the track and unbox the other one because I do have a train right here. Set up. Second. I don't want to scratch it or anything. If any of you are wondering, I'm not weathering these. I mean, I've never really weathered a train before, and also, these are just too nice. These are probably my nicest train cars. Just move the train up a bit. I should have taken the thumbnail picture now. Okay. Next one, let's see this one. Now, I've ordered two. They're different road numbers, but they're the same price, which is good. So this one is number 53033. This one is 53135. I don't know why that's important, but I don't know. I think I'll probably link the website down in the description. That's really nice. I really like these intermodal cars because they're just one of those train cars that look good together. Like, you have to have multiple of them. Here's the other one. It's really nice. So let me drive the train forwards a bit. And I just put this one on the track. Oh, these are really nice. Okay, so now that I got them all set up on the track, look how nice they look. I'm gonna do something real quick. Sorry, the throttle and the charging wire for the phone is tangled, so I have to untangle them. Sorry about this. Oh, okay, I found it. Now some boxes fell. Okay, so I have a whole train set up. You've probably seen this train in some videos, so I'm gonna start running it, see how it looks. Oh yeah, these are at the end, so. Like, those two locomotives are secondhand that I'm using to pull the train. The only trains that aren't oops, damn it. I have a derailment. Like this, I got secondhand. Like, it might not have been open, but I bought it from like a secondhand, like a train shop, like used. Like, they only sell used trains. What I like about also what I like about buying newer trains that have that are out of the box or haven't been used a lot, like some of my some locomotives I get think of one. Because I have had this problem before with some locomotives. Like the F40PH, like the Caltrain one. Like the couplers, number one, I had to change the couplers from the horn hooks to the knuckle couplers. Then I got two ampli cars that had horn hooks, so that was annoying because this is like my only passenger locomotive. And as you see, I had to snip the air hoses because they were too long. But anyways, that's what I like about buying newer stock in locomotives, because the couplers are in better condition, so the coupling's better. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, and the best part is they came with bubble wrap. I think that's the best part. Here it is over there. Okay, well, I'm going to have to end it off for now because the iPhone doesn't have a lot of battery. But thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And enjoy your day. Have a happy post-Thanksgiving, because yesterday was Thanksgiving. One more time, 50 subs by December 15th, my birthday. So thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Share the video. It'll be a big help to me. And that way I can keep creating more awesome content like this. So have a good day, and I will see you next time.